Hunter is a beautiful young eagle. He danced in the breeze, its tail fluttering behind as it played with the fluffy clouds. He likes to visit the forest full of green, sparks of sun, lots of life and nature. One day, a strong storm approached and destroyed many trees and vegetation in its path. The big tree in the park, which is Hunter's favorite, is almost about to fall due to the strong storm. The children in the park also play a lot around the tree. So Mason, the ancient owl, appeared with a plan in his gleaming eyes and talked to the children. Working together like a well-oiled machine, the children weaved and tied, following Mason's instructions with unwavering focus. The children worked very hard until sunset and managed to make the tree firm again to the ground. Hunter was flying away and didn't know about the hard work the kids did. With hearts pounding and hands flying, the children returns to the park to play and have fun, happy for the good work done with nature saving the tree. Cheerful and lively, Hunter enjoys the beautiful park and nature, which we must always respect and care for.
If you liked it, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See us again soon!